Hey, what's up, my friend? So in this video, I want to share with you my take on the stock markets right now. So as you can see, right, this is the chart of the S&P 500. Over the last few days, we have a decline in price from these highs, and then it started to grind lower at this point over here. So some traders are wondering, man, Rayner, is this a pullback or is this a full-blown reversal? So to answer that question, we need to take a step back and look at this chart from a big picture perspective. So from what I'm seeing over here, since last year March-April period, we had these lows around the 2200 price point, and then it has made consistent gains right over the last few months, maybe even a year or so. So what you can see over here is that the stock market is still in a long-term uptrend. You can see the series of higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So at this point, right, this seems to be more of a pullback to me. And if you just measured from this highs right down to this low, this pullback is possibly around around 4 to 5%. So I wouldn't be too concerned about this because this to me right looks like a uptrend that is still intact. And the key level that you might want to pay attention to is about here, around the 3300 area. Okay, somewhere about here. Let me just highlight this. Okay, so this, if the price can break and close below it, that's where I might shift from bullish to neutral in the stock market. But as of right now, I'm still bullish. So now this brings us to the question of where are some opportunities in the stock market right now. So let me share with you a couple of trading setups that are worth watching. First one is Futu. This is an online brokerage firm catered mainly to the Hong Kong and the Chinese market. So you can look at this stock, right, and you can see that it's in a very strong uptrend, consistently above the 20-day moving average. So as of right now, price has made a pullback, almost reaching the 20-day moving average, but not quite. So what I'm looking for is a bullish trend continuation trade. I know some of you might be thinking, but Rayner, the stock is already so high, are you sure you're going to buy at this high price? So remember this lesson in trading. What's high can go higher. And likewise, what is low can go lower. So a stock, right, is never too high to buy. But of course, you must have a valid trading setup to buy. Don't just want to blindly buy, right? So here's the setup that I'm looking for on Futu. So as of right now, I'm waiting for the price to retest the 20-day moving average, to just bounce and retest the 20-day moving average. Or in other words, I'm waiting for the 20-day moving average to catch up with the price, however you want to, look at it. So waiting for the 20-day moving average to catch up with the price. And then what I want to see is volatility contraction right over the next 5 to 10 days on this stock. So the market could bounce up higher, consolidate down, pull back, make another move higher, pull back, and start to consolidate, right, forming a tight consolidation. So this might look something like, for those of you who are familiar with chart patterns, it might look something like a ascending triangle, something like this, right? Higher lows into this resistance. So when I see this, right, what I'll be looking to do is to buy if the price can break out of resistance, to go long on Futu if this trading setup unfold. Okay, so that is the first setup that I want to share with you. Futu, I'm looking for the market to consolidate, to tighten up, to wait for the 20-day moving average to catch up with the price. Once it has tightened up, right, I'm looking to buy the breakout of the highs. As simple as that. And as for stop loss, right, there are numerous ways you can go about it. You can use a percentage trailing stop loss. You can use a chandelier crow trailing stop loss like what I have over here. This is a chandelier crow stop, 6 ATR from the high. So from this highs to this blue line is 6 times the average true range. That is another trailing stop loss that you can consider. So this is the first setup to share with you. The second one to share with you is this one here, Cloudflare. So this is an internet company. So basically, websites around the world, they need security, right? They need content delivery network. So if that sounds technical to you, never mind. So this company, what it does is basically to help support, right, the internet, the websites out there. So Cloudflare, you can see that this stock again looking in a nice healthy uptrend. So again, over here you can see that the price has retested this area of support. It tested once, twice, and today it retests below the lows and closed higher for the day. So this to me is a valid trading setup to go long. So what I'll be looking to do is to buy again on the next candle open. You can have your stop loss again 1 ATR below this lows, or you can use this chandelier crow stop, and in this case, right, your stop loss will go below this blue line over here. Okay, so let's say you enter on next day open, stop loss is somewhere about here. What about target? So the first possible target that you can consider is around the $92 price point before this swing high, where you can look to consider taking partial profits. Let's say you take, let's say you buy 100 shares, for example. You can exit 50 shares at $92, and the remaining 50 shares, you can, you know, write the position using possibly the chandelier crow stop, which is this blue line over here, and to ride the trend, right, for as long as, you know, it can continue higher until it breaks and close below this. Let's say the price, it goes up higher, this blue line continues higher, okay? And you exit the trade only when the price breaks and close below this blue line over here. So in a way, you're capturing one swing on 50 shares, and the other 50 shares, you can use it to ride the trend till, you know, it shows signs of weakness. So these are a couple of stocks I'm looking at right now. And by the way, these are not buy or sell recommendations. This is just my take on the markets. It's only for educational purposes. And if you want to expand your trading knowledge, your trading education, then I have also actually a 2-day free online trading event. It's called Profitable Trading Secrets. Cheesy, I know, but hey, you know, this is the name of the event. You can go down to my website, tradingwithrayner.com/webinar, and just to walk you through what's going to happen on this 2 days. First day, we'll talk about the 5 trading habits that keeps most traders poor and, you know, how to avoid it. We'll talk about sniper trading entries that you can use, right, to time the markets, simple price action trading strategy that works, a ton of trading chart examples, and much more. Second day, we will talk about, you know, beating the stock markets, how to do it consistently, profitably, even if you've tried everything else and failed, how to steal hedge funds, winning strategies, my top 4 trading tools that will save you a ton of time and money, and a complete stock trend following system that works, and much more. So again, this is a free 2-day online event. If you can't make it, you can still sign up for it, and I'll send you a copy of the recording. So what you need to do is right now, just go to the website, click on this green button. I have numerous green buttons on the page. You'll be brought to this Zoom webinar page, put in your details, email address, and I will send you the webinar link, right, to attend on the day itself. So it's a special unique link that will be sent to you so you can attend the webinar on the day itself. So it's on the 27th and 28th of February. It's free, and I'll put the link below this video. I wish you good luck, good trading. I will talk to you soon.